Yes, kids. So before I forget to show you kids, oh look, it's like chickens, white, and look, that chicken over there looks like it wants to get like a tan. Look, stupid chicken. White chicken, blanco de pollo. Look how it's sitting on its back, trying to get like a nice tan. And look at this stupid chicken. Tuh. And my little chickens here, the yellow. Come on, baby. Open sesame, mommy. Wait, baby, wait, baby, wait, my love. No, I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Love you, mommy. Oh, I'm gonna fall. The two doggies and the cattle. It's all in my husband's family's house that I'm staying. Well, kids, until next time, keep smiling. Don't worry, I'll behave myself today. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, and Mr. Turkey. Hello, Mr. Turkey. Cute. Very, very cute. Lettuce eating. Okay, kids, till next time, keep smiling. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now.